Prevent ngani? Isho indaba ungaprevent man. Ayibo, utshela ba sengaprevent mina gcwele la. Nayi implant izwa. Ngifuna ukuzwa. Izwa. Iphi implant? Nayi. Oh ngiyayizwa. Bajela kambi awumdala phela wena. Hayi kodwa ngeke sengizake phela ngisafuna. Sengidedele wena awushaya noma uthu yanya.
Molweni guys, namkelekile nonke kwezitshisa Bay Entertainment. So currently our trendayo is Utirelo and Usnem Seleku. Obviously guys, abantu niyabazi ke nanabantu kuzotha kuthetha ngale then bona babone ezabo. For example, number one, they feel as though Usne still looks 100% pregnant and but there's no use for her into ba makafake implant already. Abantwana sebebayi4 kumele ahambe ayothi tie the tubes in order to ensure that akakhulelwa kwakhona, because the implant is not 100%. Some people khona abantu abathi mina ndikhulelwe ndikwi-implant ndikhulele kwi-loop, but xa uzohambe uyothi tie the tubes then we know into yoba ngeke uphinde ukhulelwe. Khona ke nabakhola outer on Utirelo uba you cannot say ukuthi bayakudakelwa umdala manje. Who is she referring to? Utata Mseleku. Like, are you disrespecting Utata Mseleku once again? First of all, it was your man, then it's now you disrespecting Utata Mseleku, saying bakujwayela kabi obani, because the only person who has called out Usnem Seleku is Utata Mseleku, I understand. So yeah, guys, bekuileyo back and forth. There's some people that are believing that Utirelo is also pregnant with a second child. So what are your thoughts on that particular video? I also wanted to touch base on Vuyokazi. Vuyokazi recently uye wayokwenza into ekuthiwa yi-mummy makeover. Thina siyazi as i-tummy tuck. I think the term mummy makeover is fairly new to us here in South Africa, guys. You understand? So ebenescar ke uyatsho into yoba bendinescar, so I didn't like the scar. I decided into yoba mandenze i-cover up ye-tattoo. Nansi ke i-tattoo usibonisile. So that's the first update ngoVuyokazi. Secondly, uye waposta this reel le ndindlalela yona. It does seem as though she has bought herself a new car. It's a Polo. Ndandike ndaposta ke on Facebook. Andisakhumbula ndandiposte ntoni yazi, but ke i-followers zakhe, they did come to me to share that she also moved into a new apartment and then wathenga imoto. But mina ndaye ndabona imoto. Apartment, I'm not too sure about it, but that is what the fans told me on one of the posts. And so I wanted to wish her a huge, massive congratulations to her on the purchase of her new car, as well as moving into a new apartment. The last update would be that Vuyokazi is scheduled to once again travel back to Turkey on the 23rd of May this month. This is what she posted on her Instagram. She says, "Join me for an unforgettable night at Glow and Flow. It's a private summer gathering at bringing together over 200 of the most influential voices for an evening of elegance, connection, and elevated vibe. It is set in the beautiful Izmir. It is in Turkey. This is where luxury meets energy, and every moment is designed to shine." Okay, it's on the 23rd of May. It's next month, guys. So those would be the biggest updates here about Vuyokazi. And obviously, Tempo, so much has been going on. I also recently saw that Abongwe is now currently a co-owner of Thanks Ma Productions. A huge, massive congratulations to her. I saw this one trending, Payanake Lady Londi. A huge, massive congratulations to all of the Izinganez's Tempo that are working so hard. And it's such a beautiful experience watching them grow and also watching them becoming into these beautiful young adults. So nazo ke indaba ze horror befethu, your thoughts ndacela maske engage aneni, nizonibona shortly. Bye guys.